Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, it was cold this morning. It's still mighty cold outside, but we're going to take a step back and look at just how cold it got this morning. We had some numbers from Jim Olson earlier in the show. I talked with the National Weather Service. Look at these temperatures where some of the communities bottomed out this morning. Botno looked to be the big winner, 21 below zero. Stanley at 20. 30 miles west of Crosby near the Montana line, they got to 19 below. Grassy Butte, 16 below. And Bismarck actually bottomed out at 9 below. Those are actual air temperatures. Brace yourself for these wind chill numbers here. Look at Ray, 46 below zero at one point. That is major league wind chill right there. All these other areas also in the 30s below zero. We talked about any of these temperatures. You can start to get frostbite in less than a minute. Taking a look outside to the Magic City, not a cloud in the sky on this Thursday afternoon. As you're heading out this afternoon, you're graded to a temperature of 6 below zero. Still a mighty cold wind chill, 26 below in Minot. Still have those west winds at 14 miles an hour. Because of that, still have just a few counties to the east under a wind chill advisory until noon tomorrow. This does include Harvey, Botno, Rugby. If you're in one of those counties, you can still expect dangerous wind chills out there. Temperatures across the region still are well below zero. The exception being Beach, which has crept above zero there. Ironically, Beach, of course. 1 degree right now. All other places are well below zero. And we take a look at those wind chills. You can see everybody still 20, 25, even 35 below zero. So it is still quite dangerous out there. Make sure you cover up all that exposed skin if you're going out. We'll put precision cast into motion. We've got a winter storm on the way for this weekend. This is, you can see snow developing by noon Saturday, and it will last through a good part of Saturday and into Sunday. Models still struggling a little bit on where this rain mix snow line sets up. Right now, it still looks like the Highway 83 corridor is the dividing line between who sees the snow and who sees a little bit of a wintry mix. Models coming into a better agreement now with snow totals. These are model estimates, 5 to 8 through the heart of Bismarck and Minot. This is the American model. The European model pretty much in the same thought process, although the European model will be updated this afternoon. Dave Holder and Tom Schrader will have an update on that coming up tonight at 5 and 6. Today in Bismarck and Mandan, you'll get to 1 below. That's it. A brutally cold day. Wind chill values 25 to 30 below zero. Still with those gusty winds, 25 miles an hour at times. Same story for Minot, 1 below. Bitterly cold out there, 30 to 40 below zero. Look to be those wind chills with those gusty winds at 25 miles an hour. Most places today won't get above zero. Still think out west, that's your best chance to get above zero. You saw Beach already crept above zero a little bit, but I think some of these numbers are a little more embellished than what they'll actually be. Still cold to the northwest, well below zero today in Botno and Rugby. And here's a look at your extended forecast for the Bismarck area. There's the sun today and tomorrow, and then we get that snow coming into the area for the weekend, but it warms up. But it snows, and then the snow goes away, and we fall right back into the deep freeze. Same applies for Minot. Brutally cold today and tomorrow before the snow returns for the weekend, and then more brutally cold single-digit temperatures, Tim. So you really have your pick of what you want. Do you want the cold temperatures and no snow, or do you want warmer temperatures and half a foot of snow? It's up to you.
None of the above. Thank you, Robert.